How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp, log into your account. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. It will open all these options. Click on Linked Devices, which is the third option. In here, you will find all your linked devices. Click on the device you want to log out. Click on Log Out. After you have done that, that device will be unlinked. And in this way, you can unlink all the devices you want. This is how to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.